393,000 in the greater Los Angeles area. We can stand to lose a few. You
But we'll keep number one
And
number two. Yes. We're here to talk about our Manhattan Beach client who asked us to sell his real estate investment property here in West Hollywood.
Yes. Through our combined marketing, there's currently 24 active listings in the area. We were able to get this closed in 10 days, all cash.
So if you like this kind of service, you could give us a call. We'll help you with your next property.
Bye now.
Bye.